everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English lesson, that is using of alternative words. Okay friends, you have listened very basic English, that is very big or very sad or very small, these words. Okay, these are the very basic English. So if you want to become very fluent in English and also you want to improve your English and you want your English to take to an advanced level, you have to speak the alternative words instead of using very big, or instead of telling very small, or instead of telling very sad. You can use the different alternative words. So today in this session we are going to learn the alternative words for very. Okay, and also we are going to see some examples uh, with the sentences to show how they can be used in the context. So let us move on to the first one. That is, the first word is very happy. We tell whenever we are happy, we will use that she is very happy or she is very sad. So the first context today is very happy. Instead of telling very happy, you can tell joyful. Okay, friends. So let me take one example and I will explain you how you're going to use this very happy, that is joyful. She felt joyful after receiving the good news about her promotion. Understood, friends? See how beautiful the sentence look. Instead of telling she felt very happy after receiving the good news, you can tell as she felt joyful after receiving the good news. Okay, friends? So this was our first word, that is very happy. So stop using very happy and you can also tell joyful, or you can tell cheerful, or you can tell pleased. Okay, so this was our first one. Now let us move on to the second word, that is very sad. Stop telling very sad and you can tell miserable. So I can give an example. After hearing the sad news, she felt completely miserable. Instead of telling she felt completely sad, very sad, you can use the word miserable. Okay? You can also use the word sorrowful. He had a sorrowful expression on his face during this ceremony. Okay, friends? So instead of using very sad, you can use these words like miserable, sorrowful, or also you can use heartbroken. Okay, friends? So now let us move on to the third word, that is very big. Stop using very big and you can tell huge, or you can tell vast. Okay, let me give an example. The huge mountain loomed in the distance as we approached. Okay, now next word is, now let me give one more example. That is, instead of telling very big, you can tell the vast. The vast desert stretched as far as the eye could see. Okay, friends, see how advanced these sentences will look. Instead of using this very sad or very big, you can use these alternative words. What I mean today, what I am showing. Okay, friends. So let us move on to the fourth one. That is, instead of using very small, you can use a tiny. Okay, or you can use minute. Okay, now let me give an example for tiny. She wore a tiny bracelet that sparkled in the sunlight. See how beautiful the sentence will look. Instead of telling she wore a small bracelet, you can use she wore a tiny bracelet. So your English will look very advanced, and also it will be very fluent to others. Okay, so I hope you're understanding these words. So now let's move on to the next word, that is smart. So instead of telling very smart, you can use the word intelligent. I think many of us use this word, that is very smart. Instead of using very smart, you can tell intelligent, or you can also tell clever, or you can tell brilliant. So let me give an example. He is an intelligent student who excels in mathematics. So instead of telling he's an smart student, you can use he is an intelligent student, or he is a clever boy. He is a clever child. Okay? So you can use stop using very smart and you start using these alternative words, that is intelligent or clever or brilliant. So let us move on to the next word, that is beautiful. Okay, you can stop using very beautiful or beautiful. You can tell attractive. Okay, the actress looks incredibly attractive in a new outfit. Okay, so you can use these words. Instead of using very beautiful, you can tell attractive or gorgeous, or also you can use stunning. So these are the advanced English words. On to the next word, that is very bad. So instead of telling very bad, you can tell terrible, okay, or also you can tell awful, or you can tell dreadful. Okay, friends. So let me give an example for the word terrible. I had a terrible headache all day and could not focus on anything. See how beautiful the sentence look. Instead of telling bad or very bad, I had a very bad headache. See how the sentence look. It's a very basic sentence and also it will not look so advanced. So if you use this word instead of telling very bad, you can tell terrible. So the it will look very advanced. Okay. So now let us move on to the next word, that is very fast. So stop telling very fast and you can tell quick, or you can tell rapid, or you can tell swift. So let me give an example for very fast. So the delivery service was quick and I received my package in just 2 days. See how the sentence looks? You can, everybody will tell, the delivery service was very fast. So instead of telling very fast, you can tell quick. Okay, friends? So the last word for today is slow, or you can tell very slow. So stop using these words like slow or very slow. You can use leisurely, or you can use unhurried. Okay, so let me give an example for this leisurely. They enjoyed a leisurely afternoon scroll by the beach. The next one is, I can give an example for unhurried. The team worked at an unhurried pace to avoid making mistakes. So instead of using very slow, you can use these words like unhurried or leisurely, or you can also use sluggish. Okay. I hope you have understood these alternative words to advance your English. And today we'll stop our session till here. And if you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon for more daily notifications. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.